The Matsui Kamado makes precision cooking like sous vide, proofing, and fermenting easy and perfectly accurate. This is because the even heat distribution from cast iron, combined with the precise temperature control of 1-degree increments, takes all the guesswork out. Let's try cooking beef tenderloin with the traditional sous vide method. First, vacuum seal the meat. Put the seasoned beef in a bag and submerge it. Then, push all the air out of the bag and seal it. Next, heat the water bath. With about 2 quarts of water in the pot, select warm and set the exact cooking temperature you'd like to cook with. Once the bath is warmed, submerge the bag in the water and cover the lid. Set the timer. Make sure to always keep the lid on to maintain the temperature of the water bath. When sous vide is finished, pour out the water and sear the beef over medium heat to finish. You can also make the sauce in the same pot. There's another method without using plastic bags or a water bath. We call this the non-sous vide method, and this is the method we recommend. In this method, we're going to sear first. Preheat the pot on medium for about 3 minutes. Add oil and sear all sides of the seasoned beef until golden brown. Turn off the heat. Add the sauce mixture and roll the beef to dress. Cover, set the cooking temperature and the timer. That's it! We think the flavors are a little bit richer this way because all the jus is retained inside the pot. You can also make flavorful sauce at the same time. Utilizing the Matsui Kamado's precision temperature control, you can precision cook in different ways. You can poach rolled-up chicken breast at a low temperature and retain all the chicken's flavor and juices. Or you can confit duck or fish in fat or oil. A dessert like vanilla bean custard can be easily made by gently steaming in the Matsui Kamado, creating a silky smooth texture. You can also ferment and create your own koji and miso, not to mention yogurt and tofu. With the precision temperature control, you can craft restaurant-quality dishes right at home. For more precision cooking recipes, come visit our website.